Hey everyone, it's Aviation and Palav here. So today, I got a new toy from Amazon. So this is the Amazon package. We're gonna open it right now. And right here we got a black carrier bag or something. Now we should zip it open. Let's see what's inside. Wait, I actually did it upside down. Yes, so we actually got a drone. You can see now. Yes. Now this is only under 1,000 rupees in India. So this is a foldable one with the camera here and a camera under here. So this is actually unfoldable and foldable. You should unfold it now. And already want it to fly. And you can actually change the position of the camera. Yes. And this is the remote. Okay. So actually this drone has one-click takeoff with this button right here. One-click takeoff, it'll take off by itself. And it also has attitude holding. And one-click landing, the same button. And it has, you can change the speed. Look like this. Okay. Now we have one screwdriver here that we don't need now. Yeah. We have two extra blades. I mean 4 blades. Let me just show it to you so you can see. Yeah. These 4 blades. I know it's just one propeller, but 1, 2, 3, 4 blades. And there will be 4, you know those protectors, these ones. There'll be those 4 protectors. Okay, and then at this part, you have to get your drone. You have to attach the protectors like this. You should do it to the all other. There will be 4 of those things, or you could just say protector. It's actually a propeller protector. So, in case it doesn't break the propellers. So that's why they gave extra propellers. And this is the last one. And if you wonder where your battery is, just check the back. In the back, there'll be something like this. And then you'll see under something to remove. You should remove it. And that will be the battery. So you put it back inside. And you turn on the drone. You turn on the then if you wanted to start the remote, you should do like this. Start. Then this will stop blinking. It will start blinking fast. So let's see how the camera quality and the experience of our flying. Let's go right in. Okay guys, this is Aviation and Car Lover. So actually I recommend you to buy this drone. This camera quality is very nice. So remember, subscribe and hit the notification bell and add a comment if you like my videos. And the description to the link of the drone, if you want it, you can download the link and buy it from the description below. Bye.